Before we get into it, if travel tips that are actually tested before they're shared sound useful to you, go ahead and hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. It helps this channel more than you'd think, and it's free. Now, here's what got this whole thing started. I recently checked in for my Norwegian Spirit sailing through the NCL Norwegian Cruise Line app on my phone instead of the desktop site, figured it'd be the same either way. It wasn't. The app has a glitch, it skips the port arrival time selection screen entirely. No error, no warning, nothing flagged as incomplete. I didn't know anything was missing until a full day later, when I happened to log in on desktop and found an empty arrival time field just sitting there, unassigned. I reached out to Norwegian's online chat, and they confirmed it, they're aware of the glitch. It happens when guests check in through the app slightly early. The app actually lets you start check-in about 4 hours before the official 21-day window opens, and that early window is exactly when the arrival time step gets dropped. Most Norwegian veterans don't worry too much about port arrival time because informally they know they probably can attempt to board at any time. Nonetheless, the good news is that I am checked in for an 11 to 11:30 a.m. port arrival time in Vancouver for the NCL Spirit sailing. No worries, and I'm so looking forward to the Norwegian cruise. So that's why I, Dutch Dodds, am here, with this channel, to help you through finding the easy way there via air, land, and sea. The problem with most travel advice, it's written by people who got lucky, not by people who hit the actual glitches. This channel is built differently. It's not the postcard version of travel. It's what actually happens when you book it, plan it, and show up, the app inconsistencies, the fine print, the stuff nobody mentions until it's already cost you something. And it doesn't stop at one mode of travel. Whether you're checking in for a flight, driving into an unfamiliar port city, or boarding a ship, the same rule applies: verify it yourself before you trust it. Air, land, and sea each come with their own quirks, their own fine print, their own glitches waiting to surface a day late. This channel covers all three with the same standard, nothing passed along until it's actually been checked. Every tip here gets checked before it's shared, tested, verified, or lived through firsthand. If it's here, it's because it actually happened, and it actually works. That's the channel. Practical, verified travel tips, every way there. If this kind of thing is useful to you, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one, and if you've hit a glitch like this yourself, drop it in the comments. I'll probably end up covering it.